Next topic is labor cost variance. Labor cost variance, it occupies an important place in variance analysis because the variance reflects in levels of efficiency of labor force. Labor cost variance calculated in different methods and different times. The first case is when only one type of labor is used. On that time, labor cost variance can be calculated through the labor rate variance and labor efficiency variance. So labor cost variance is nothing but the difference between the standard cost and actual cost. Standard cost is nothing but standard time multiplied by the standard rate. Actual cost is nothing but actual time multiplied by the actual rate. Labor rate variance is nothing but which arises due to the standard rate and actual rate. Labor efficiency variance nothing but which arises due to the standard time and actual time. So before knowing the problems, first knowing the formulas. The first formula is labor cost variance. Labor cost variance equals to standard cost of labor minus actual cost of labor. If in case they are not given the standard cost and actual cost directly, on that time you should calculate the standard time into standard rate. That means standard time multiplied by the standard rate, then we will got the standard cost. Actual cost equals to actual time into actual rate. This is the labor cost variance formula. Next one is labor rate variance. Rate variance equals to actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. Next, labor efficiency variance equals to standard rate into standard time minus actual time. The verification formula of LCV, that means verification formula of labor cost variance formula equals to LCV equals to LRV, that means labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. So let us get the problems. So first problem is, from the following information calculate the labor variance. So standard hours 25, actual hours 30, standard rate 30, actual rate 28. So formula of LCV, that means labor cost variance, equals to standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate, because they are not given the standard cost and actual cost. So that's why we should calculate it through the standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate. The standard time they are given the 25, so 25 hours into standard rate they are given the 30, we will calculate the 30. Next, actual time, actual hours is 30 and actual rate is 28. So standard time multiplied by the standard rate, that means 25 into 30 equals to 750 and 30 into 28 equals to 840. We will get 90 adverse. That means adverse is nothing but negative value. Next, this formula is helpful to calculate the LCV. LRV, that means the labor rate variance equals to actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. Actual time is 30, standard rate is 30 minus actual rate is 28. So 30 in bracket, first we should calculate it in bracket. We should simplify in bracket values. 30 minus 28 equals to plus 2. This is the plus value, and 30 multiplied by the 2, 60 is favorable because positive value. Next, LEV, that means labor efficiency variance equals to standard rate into standard time minus actual time. Standard rate is 30, standard time is 25 minus actual time is 30. 25 minus 30 equals to minus 5, that means this is negative value. 30 multiplied by the minus 5, 150. So 150 is a adversable value, that means negative value, because minus sign is there. So verification formula is LCV equals to labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. LCV is 90 adverse equals to 60 is favorable in LRV. LEV is 150 adverse. So 60 favorable minus 150 is adversable. One is positive value, another one is negative value. So in this situation, negative value is high value. So ಹಾಗಾಗಿ 150 minus 60 equals to 90 adverse, because this is the high value symbol is negative. So 90 adverse equals to 90 adverse. This is the tally of LCV. This is the first problem. Next one problem is the following are the particulars relating to the production of 1 unit. They are given the 1 unit production. So particulars, actual, standards. Particulars, they are given the hours wage rate and actual rate and actual time they are given. Actual hours 15, actual wage rate is 15, standard hours is 10, standard wage rate is 20. Calculate the labor variance. So we are all know the formula of LCV. Formula of LCV equals to standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate. Standard time is 10, actual rate is standard rate is 20 minus actual time is 15, actual rate is 15. 10 into 20 equals to 200, 15 into 15 equals to 225. 200 minus 225 equals to 25, because the negative balance is highest is 225. So 25 is the adverse. So LCV calculation is completed. So next, LRV calculation. LRV means labor rate variance equals to actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. So actual time is 15, standard rate is 20 minus actual rate is 15. 20 minus 15 equals to plus 5. That means positive value. 15 into 5, 75 favorable. Next, LEV calculation, labor efficiency variance calculation. LEV equals to standard rate into standard time minus actual time. Standard rate 20, standard time 10, actual time is 15. 20 same, write on the 20 in same way. 10 minus 15 equals to minus 5, because 15 is the highest value compared to 10. So 20 into 5 equals to 100. Minus symbol is there. So hagagi this is the adversable value. Verification formula, we are all know about LRV is favorable value and LEV is adversable value. Verification formula, LCV equals to LRV plus LEV, that means labor rate variance plus labor efficiency variance. LCV is 25 adverse equals to LRV is 75 favorable. LRV is 75 favorable, 100 is adverse. So highest value is negative value. So hagagi minus 100 minus 75 equals to 25A. So LCV is equals to LRV plus LEV. This is the second one problem. Next, third one problem is the standard time and the rate of producing 1 unit of component A is given below. So we in this problem they are producing the A component. Standard hours per unit is 30 hours. They are given the information about a 1 unit. Standard rate rupees 8 per hour. The actual data along with the related information are as follows. Actual production is 1000 units. Actual hours 30,600 hours. Actual rate 7 rupees 80 paise per hour. So in this problem they are given the actual production. We are all know about the history of standard production. Whenever not given the standard production, on that time actual production should be treated as a standard production. So let us start the solution. They are given the information about the 1 unit, but we will find out the 1000 units, because actual production equals to standard production. Standard hours or time is 30 per unit, but 1000 units, 1000 into 30 equals to 30,000. This is the standard time. Standard rate is they are given 8. Actual price is 1000 rupees. Actual time is 30,600. Actual rate is 7 rupees 80 paise. So let us start the LCV through the formula. LCV equals to standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate. Standard time is 30,000 into standard rate is 8. Actual time is 30,600 into actual rate is 7 rupees 80 paise. 30,000 into 8, 2,40,000. 30,600 into 7 rupees 80 paise, 2,38,680. So 2,40,000 minus 2,38,680 equals to 1,320. This is the positive value because so this is a positive value, so 1,320 is a favorable. Next one is LRV calculation, actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. Actual time is 30,600, standard rate is 8 minus actual rate is 7 rupees 80 paise. 30,600 write down same way, 8 minus 7 rupees 80 paise equal to 0.2. 30,600 multiplied by the 0.2, on that time we will get 6,120 rupees favorable. Next, LEV calculation, standard rate into standard time minus actual time. Standard rate is 8, standard time is 30,000, actual time is 30,600. So 30,000 minus 30,600 minus 600 multiplied by the 8, so on that time we will get 4,800 adverse because minus symbol is there. So whenever the multiplied by plus into minus, on that time we will get minus, that means adversible value. Next, verification formula, LCV equals to LRV plus LEV. LCV is 1,320 favorable, LRV equals to 6,120 favorable minus 4,800 A is the LEV. So 6,120 minus 4,800 plus favorable and adversible value. So plus minus, that means plus value and minus value, on that time we will get 1,320 favorable because the highest value of LRV. So this symbol is favorable. So 1,320 favorable LCV equals to LRV plus LEV, 1,320 favorable. Next sum is calculate labor variance from the following details. Standard time and rate for 1 unit of a product are as follows. So they are given the 1 unit information. So standard time is 12 hours, standard rate 5 per hour. The actual data and related information are as under. Actual production 1,000 units, actual time 13,200 hours, total actual wages rupees 59,000. So in this situation they are not given the actual rate, so we are calculated the actual rate. So given information is standard time is per unit 12, so 1,000 units 12,000 hours. Standard rate is 5, actual price is, that means actual production is 1,000 units, actual time 13,200, actual rate they are actual cost they are given 59,000. So we are find out the actual rate. So 59,000 divided by 13,200, that means actual rate equals to actual cost divided by actual time, on that time we will get actual rate. So actual rate equals to 59,000 is a actual cost, 13,200 is the actual time, we will get 4 rupees 40 paise. So next, LCV calculation is standard time into standard rate minus actual time into actual rate. So standard time is 12,000, standard rate is 5 minus actual time is 13,200 into actual rate is 4 rupees 40 paise. 12,000 into 5 equals to 60,000, 13,200 into 4 rupees 40 paise equals to 58,080 rupees. So 60,000 minus 58,080 rupees, we will get 1,920 is favorable because 60,000 is a highest value, it have positive value. Next, LRV equals to actual time into standard rate minus actual rate. Actual time is 13,200, standard rate is 5 minus actual rate is 4 rupees 40 paise. 5 minus 4 rupees 40 paise, we will get 0.60 paise or 0.6. 13,200 multiplied by the 0.6, so we will get 7,920 is favorable. Next, LEV calculation, labor efficiency variance equals to standard rate into standard time minus actual time. Standard rate is 5, standard time is 12,000 minus actual time is 13,200. So 12,000 minus 13,200 equals to minus 1,200. This is a negative value. Minus 1,200 multiplied by the 5. So on that time we will get 6,000 adversable, that means negative value. The verification of LCV equals to LRV plus LEV. So 1,920 is favorable equals to 7,920 is a favorable minus, because this is a negative value, 6,000 is adverse. So 7,920 favorable minus 6,000 is adverse. LRV equals to positive value and LEV equals to negative values. So on that time the difference amount is 1,920 is favorable. This value is tally with the LCV. These are the sums related to labor cost variance in case 1.